Alright, so here we are on this roof. I'm working. And this unit here on my maintenance, I noticed the pressures were low, so I stopped back today to check them. And while there's no leak or anything like that on the system, I'm sure you guys can tell just from looking at this, it's an R22 machine. What's wrong? I got a bad TXV. My subcooling is almost 30. My superheat is almost 62. So high superheat, high subcooling. My suction pressure is not even 30. 66 is my temperature. 233 is my pressure. So my TXV is not responding correctly. I checked the bulb, I moved it doesn't do anything. One of the worst parts is the machine cools. I found some of my maintenance, the machine cools. What they did was they compensated for it by having it run all the time. They put together Y1 and Y2 up there with a little jumper. And that little jumper is actually keeping both compressors running at all times, so they'll never know they need that because they've always got both kind of cooling. That runs, it starts to freeze, and then, well, it satisfies because you have that one cooling too at the same time. So that's compressor one, which would always be on anyway when this is on, but they just set it up with a both run non-stop. But I mean, subcool's about 30 here, 63 superheat. See, if I add gas, that goes up to TXV. This may not come down because if my TXV is restricted, well, it's not going to do anything. Now I'm over here. This should be my filter dryer. Just illuminate a plugged filter dryer. So now my temperature is the same on my dryers. 81.8 here, 82.5 here. They're both the same, so I don't have a plug dryer. So what's left as a restriction in the circuit? TXV. The TXV's got to be replaced. The compressor's pumping, it's moving refrigerant because this goes up. When it starts, it sucks it down. So this is kind of what your pressures will look like with a bad TXV. There's all different kinds of bad TXV symptoms. Some you'll have low superheat, subcool about 1 or 2 or 3, or even high subcool, low superheat. That could also be an airflow issue though, but here is something to look for a bad TXV when you see this. I mean 76, well never mind, don't ignore my superheat right now. Now we can look at superheat again. You have to ignore that superheat for 1 second, let it cool off. 63, that was on the suction pipe, so. But guys, just here's something to watch for while you're out in the field, bad TXVs. And yes, it's gonna get replaced and the system will be recharged. Until next time, peace.